Welcome back to the Meta Mortgage Minute. Hi, I'm Jason Meta. It's great to be with everyone today. Today we're going to talk about the market as it relates to interest rates. We talk about home prices quite often. We talk about kind of where this market's going, but I really want to kind of drill down in where interest rates are today. Obviously, we've seen some huge volatility in the market. I was actually doing some homework before we filmed this video, and I was kind of taking a look at interest rates over the last 6 months. Just in December, we were talking about rates in the 3.5 range, and today we're at probably 4.125, and that's a big swing in our market. And so I wanted to just share with our viewers today a little bit more about what that market, what's kind of caused that, how it's going to impact you if you don't currently have a locked interest rate. And then I just want to wrap up with some good news about the market because there's some great things happening. Interest rates going up actually means good for our economy, and it's good news that's on the horizon. So the first thing is when we look at interest rates, we've actually seen a 456 basis point increase in interest rates from December up until just this last week. That's a huge swing in our market. Now, how does that relate to you as a consumer? Well, for us, we've seen interest rates move from about 3.375, 3.5% on up to about 4.125%. That's how big of a gap we have now in the market. Now, but I do want to share some perspective on that as it relates to historical data. If you just look back just to say, June of 2008, back then we were talking about rates in the sixes. So we're still in a great position as either a potential buyer that's looking to use financing as a solution, or if you're thinking about refinancing and trying to save your family money. So it's still a 200 basis point swing from June of 2008. So there's still good things happening there. Now, why is this happening in the market? Well, what's being discussed right now is the federal government over the last year and a half, 2 years, has been purchasing mortgage-backed securities up to the tune of about $85 billion on a monthly basis. That's been able to help kind of preserve the interest rates at this historical low level. And now there's some talk because the economy is starting to improve that they might start to taper off that program. And so because of that, mortgage-backed security prices have really suffered over the last several weeks. And of course, you've seen the stock market start to kind of really take off on the heels of some of that good news that's being posted out in the market. So that's really what's happening with interest rates right now. So as a next step for some of our viewers, some of our business partners that are helping home buyers try to find the home of their dreams, or if you're a client that's really thinking about refinancing and wondering if it's going to really make sense for me, what I would encourage you to do is really talk with us. First of all, if you're a buyer, to see if your pre-approval is still in place for the same loan amount, same payment amount, because even though there's a slight uptick in those interest rates, that is going to change your payment, and it could change your qualifying. So I'd encourage you just to reach back up with us. And some of our clients, we've already done that. And for our business partners that are showing clients homes, definitely reach out to us to see what the buying power looks like for your client today. And then obviously on the refinance side, let us know if we can still, or let's check out, see how much money we can still save you. So I want to just wrap up today's video. I know we've gone a little bit longer than our usual minute, but really, as we look at this market, we have some really great things happening in the market. I did mention earlier in the video that we're still about 200 basis points better than we were in June of 2008. It's still in the 4% range. But the great news we've seen out in the market is home appreciation. Home appreciation is up 10 to 14% expected this year. And a lot of our clients who have purchased with FHA or other mortgage insurance products are now been able to refinance out of those products. And I would just encourage those of you that still have those products, take a look at what refinancing options are out there for you. And secondly, with this home appreciation, buyers that are getting in the market, there's such great opportunity to make this asset that you purchase one of the best investment vehicles you could have for your future of your family. So anyways, there's still great things happening in the market. Yes, the interest rates are up a bit, but I think we have some awesome things on the horizon for us, and with the upturn in the economy and still interest rates at historical lows. So as always, if you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to be able to help you. Have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you soon.